Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Mosinee, Wisconsin, the home of AROW Global Corporation. For nearly 60 years, AROW Global has operated in both Canada and the United States. Starting from a 30,000 square foot production facility, AROW Global has grown into a 220,000 square foot operation with ISO 9001 quality certification and manufacturing core competencies in metal fabrication and bending, glass fabrication and tempering, and complex assembly work for customizable product lines. AROW Global has a lengthy history in the specialized design and production of industry-leading mass transportation window systems for major North American bus and recreational vehicle manufacturers. As part of their commitment to product innovation and vehicle safety, AROW Global developed the industry-leading driver protection system for mass transportation. Now, as the market-preferred supplier, AROW designs and produces custom-made driver protection systems for client requirements in retrofit and OEM applications. They continue to grow rapidly by exploring new markets and are making ongoing investments to supply manufacturers of operator cab enclosures and service vehicles with market-leading window designs. AROW Global's mission is to develop innovative solutions that deliver exceptional value for their customers. Their value proposition relates to best-in-class service, design expertise, product innovation, quality, delivery, comprehensive product support, and custom-engineered solutions. They excel at catering to original equipment manufacturers looking for strategic supply chain partners in North America. With their breadth of manufacturing capabilities, AROW Global is well-positioned as a first-tier supplier. Visit them at arrowglobal.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.